नमस्कार दोस्तों। हमने देखा कि इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान एक सोसाइटी की एक कौम जो उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत किया है और बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया टेक्नोलॉजी को, तो वो है टीचर्स। और हम जानते हैं कि टीचर्स हमारे सोसाइटी के बैकबोन हैं, तो ये हमारे फ्यूचर बनाते हैं। और हमने देखा कि इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान टीचर्स ने न केवल टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ किया है, टेक्नोलॉजी में आईटी को उन्होंने सीखा है, इसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया है और सक्सेसफुली इम्प्लीमेंट किया है। तो न केवल टीचर्स, अगर हम देखो तो पेरेंट्स ने भी आईटी को सीखा है। पेरेंट्स ने इनकरेज किया, मोटिवेट किया अपने बच्चों को आईटी के थ्रू स्टडी करने को, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो अदर वे टू लर्न। और बच्चों ने भी इसको आईटी को यूज किया है, टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज किया है और अपनी क्लासेस को बरकरार रखा ऑलमोस्ट 9 to 10 months अगो। सो द कम्युनिटी ऑफ लीजेंड्स TCOA एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, वो दिखाना चाहती है कि टेक्नोलॉजी कितना पावरफुल हो सकता है। और एक समिट ऑर्गेनाइज किया, जिसका समिट 6 ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, जिसमें हम टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स, प्रिंसिपल्स और इसके अलावा जो स्कूल ओनर्स हैं, इन सबको हम एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके आएंगे, ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके आएंगे। और उन्होंने जो काम किया है, जैसे आपके बच्चों ने अगर कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं, कुछ पैशन किया है, जैसे कि पेंटिंग हो या फिर सिंगिंग हो या कुछ भी किया होगा, तो उनके छोटे छोटे वीडियो बनाएंगे। हम पेरेंट्स को इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेके आएंगे और we'll have a panel discussion as to how they have gone through it. The basic aim is that yes, the work which has been done by your teachers, your students, or your son and the daughter should be brought to the global level. And we want to show to the world that technology can be used for the betterment of humanity. So हमारा जो aim है, हमारा जो लक्ष्य है, to bring 25,000 families onto the global platform using the social media and reach out to 1 lakh people. And just imagine कि जब आपके बच्चे, आप पेरेंट्स या प्रिंसिपल्स या स्कूल ओनर्स इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएंगे, and you will be seen and heard by 1 lakh people, what will be the impact? So let's come together and start making small videos about your children, and maybe we will reach out to you and we will try to take the videos and we will fix up a time, and then we can have a panel discussion, or maybe we will take your children onto the social platform and then we can have a discussion with them. So we are preparing the 14th February 2021 is the date we are going to have the summit, and before that we are going to have different series of talks, different series of panel discussion. So be ready, and I'm going to give the details at the bottom. Just go on to this links and just try to understand more about the community of legends. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. We'll be reaching to you soon. So encourage us. Let's together be a team and take this social media, power of the social media to a different level. Thank you and take care of yourself. Hello friends, this is Y Srinivas, Group Captain Y Srinivas, and a small message to all the parents. A child, when he is between 4 to 14 to 15 years, this is the time when a child's personality is developed. When I talk about the personality, it is not the external personality, the physical personality. It is the personality, inner personality. A child, the way he actually thinks, the self-confidence he has, the values he has been incorporated into, values that have been put into his mind, and of course his self-esteem and self-image. These are the things which are developed within a child from 4 to 14 years. Well, so 70% of these personality which has been developed stays with the child for the rest of his life. So as parents, it's very important that what are the values we are putting into our child when he or she is between 4 to 14 to 15 years, and these are the things which has actually drive him, make his personality and the later part of the life. So parents, be careful and put the right value system, build in the confidence, give a beautiful self-image to your kids so that they go into the future and they shine. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.